You girls have seen me cut to the aces numerous times, right? From a shuffle deck, right? But this time, you're gonna do it. I'm gonna cut these cards here a couple of times. But Charlene, cut a sizable portion, like half the deck right here. Very fair, right? I couldn't force that. Jen, cut that pack here. Fair, right? Charlene, cut that over there.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm hoping that you girls cut to an ace. Now, would that be crazy?
Yeah. Oh.
Hold on 1 second. Oh, okay, well, the eights. I
That's
said
what
the
I
aces.
meant
okay.
to say.
No, okay, hold on. No, it's all right. Watch. Let's try this. There's a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not so bad.
Stop.
Wait. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't believe this. You girls.
I can't believe that either.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing.
Stop it.
Wow.
You messed up.
Of course I didn't. They thought I messed up. Jeez.
I didn't.
It's starting and everything.
Wow. Awesome.
Ándale, there you go.